Hey guys, and welcome back to Mary J's Hauls. Thanks for watching. So today I actually have a super funny story for you guys. I have officially made it into the top 5 niches of the week. That's hosted by Ryan Hogue. If you guys haven't seen his channel, I will put a link below to his channel. He's like a Amazon guru. Most of you guys probably already know who Ryan Hogue is with the print-on-demand space. But I noticed the other day that I made his top 5 niches, and guys, it is the worst design I have ever made. So I've started diversifying my niches from the cryptocurrency space, which you guys can still see are still selling but teetering. Here you go is a simple Ethereum shirt. But I made a bunch of designs based on one of his previous week's top 5 niches. So the I Smell Commies with the Ronald Reagan, as well as pro-Trump stuff, anti-Fauci stuff. So I'm kind of all over the place, and I've been seeing teetered sales between all 3 of those niches, so I'm not too disappointed in them. One shirt that has been selling way better than I expected it, guys. It is a I Smell Commie shirt. I was actually doing my 10 designs because whatever's going on with Amazon merch or Pretty Merch, they're only allowing you to upload, or at least me, to upload half of the amount of slots that I have. So it was 10 at one point. So I was making 10 designs, and towards the end, you know, I always am like, oh, what am I going to do for this last one? I just want to get it done. So I just did something like, it looked so bad that I literally had an internal battle between myself as to whether or not to even make this shirt. Then I decided, it was like, screw it, I'm just going to go ahead and put it up there. Let's see how this goes. And then next thing you know, I get a sale. So then it ranks, right? So then it's going above all of my other designs that are actually good, like genuinely good designs, ranked above that. Next thing you know, sale. So it keeps ranking higher and higher, but it is literally the worst design I've ever made. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys because I'm all about the full transparency stuff. Like I said, I've really been sticking within those niches of some fantasy football stuff, some mountain stuff. I started moving to evergreens. I tried the Patria Evita, but unfortunately it took a couple days for those to go through. So I think while it was a big thing, and I know it still is a big movement for the Cuban people, it just, I didn't get on quick enough. And you know, I don't get any advantage to you guys with the top 5 niches of the week. Ryan lets me watch the video with all of you guys, and it's like a race to get designs done. It's crazy for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you this very awful design that I made. And voila! The worst design I could have ever possibly made. The colors are bad on the black shirt, especially the blue. The black and white photograph of him just is like awkwardly overlaid, but not in like a good position. But I'm ranked and it's selling. Now, I think if one of my other shirts had ranked, I would have made more sales from it. But sometimes bad designs slip through the cracks. So if you're debating on putting up a bad design or leaving your slot blank, I mean, at this point, you might as well upload it. You know, you never know what's going to happen. I don't know how I made it into the top 5 niches of the week. That is something that's super exciting to me. I am sad to say that this is an original design by me, so don't judge me by it because I actually have good ones of it. It is simply just that I needed another one. I was like, you know what? Let's just go for it. Let's pop it up there. And you never know. So overall, I think it's hilarious that it ended up working. And for the people that bought it, you know, to each his own. I would never buy this shirt. I don't think a lot of people would, but once it gets ranked, it kind of moves up in the ranks above a lot of the other I Smell Commie shirts. And like, that's so unfortunate because I've got a good group of good designs surrounding this niche. But at the end of the day, I'm cool with it. I think it's hilarious. So overall, my sales, like I said, this month, you guys are getting to see all of my designs. How lucky for you guys. So overall, this month I've had 23 sales, which is down from my previous month. I had 145 sales. And I think part of that is that the crypto niche really started to go down once the price action of crypto started to go down. And my all-time, I'm still doing well. And guys, if you don't watch my Etsy series, you should. I have been really good about posting whatever shirts I post to Amazon. I just list them on Etsy as well. So it's about 5 shirts a day. Sometimes I do more. Overall, though, my Etsy sales are really good, and I'm enjoying the process, and I actually find it less tedious to do than Amazon designs. And that's because you can use keyboard shortcuts. You can if you're doing a certain theme, you can list all your tags out on a notepad, copy and paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. With Amazon, it's a little bit more difficult, but I'm figuring out how to make it work again. Ever since I stopped doing my designs when I hit 100, because I had a good niche, and now that I'm at tier 500, you know, more designs, more visibility, better chance of selling. So stick in there, guys. Let me know what your biggest issues are on Amazon merch, and I would love to do another video about them. And also, guys, last thing real quick, for all of you guys who helped support, not financially, but emotionally, and added in value into my dog treat company, thank you guys so much. I have officially launched the company, and my website should be up and running. I've been doing the farmers markets, and every day that I have, I've been selling out. So I'm super excited to share my project with you guys, as you guys were such a great help in choosing my name and some of my other themes. So thank you guys so much for watching Mary J's Hauls, and I hope you have a great day.